Hotel number 10, Hotel Elizabeth Ambon offers comfortable accommodation in Sirimo, Ambon, just 2.3 kilometers from Martha Taiahahu Monument. The property features free Wi-Fi, a swimming pool, and a 24-hour reception to assist guests at all times. Each room includes air conditioning, a TV, and a bathroom with shower and toiletries. Guests can enjoy meals at the on-site restaurant or visit nearby options such as Warung Nirwana Tanah Toraja. Additional services include luggage storage, laundry service with surcharge, and parking facilities. Its clean and cozy rooms make it suitable for both vacation and business stays. Hotel Elizabeth Ambon is 750 meters from Benteng, New Victoria, 2.5 kilometers from Wainata Beach, and 21 kilometers from Patamura International Airport. Today's price is $28, which can change based on other dates. For more information or to book the hotel at the lowest rates, check the video description. Share thoughts. Hotel number 9, Casa Felice by Reccoma Ambon offers a comfortable stay in Paso, just a 15-minute drive from Tulahu Harbor and Maranatha Church of Ambon. Guests will also find Maranatha Cathedral and Francis Xavier Cathedral 9.1 miles away. The hotel features 23 air-conditioned rooms equipped with LCD televisions and satellite channels for entertainment. Complimentary wireless internet access is available throughout the property. Bathrooms come with showers and bidets, and desks provide convenient workspaces. Free self-parking is available on site. Housekeeping is provided daily. Today's price is $10, subject to change depending on travel dates. For more information or to book the hotel at the lowest rates, check the video description for the link. Share your thoughts in the comments section and like this video. Hotel number 8, Grand Tawiri Hotel Ambon offers comfortable accommodation in Ambon, situated just 4 kilometers from Bukit Teletubbies. Each air-conditioned room comes with a television and a private bathroom with a shower. Guests can enjoy free Wi-Fi and relax by the swimming pool during their stay. Dining options include the on-site restaurant and nearby eateries such as RM, Jayton, providing various culinary choices. Additional facilities include luggage storage to enhance convenience. Patamura International Airport is only 2.1 kilometers away, making travel easy. Price for today is $17, but it may vary depending on dates. For more information or to book this hotel at the lowest rates, check the video description for the link. Share your thoughts in the comments section and like this video. Hotel number 7, Hotel Mutiara Ambon offers exceptional service and all essential facilities for a comfortable stay. Stay connected with complimentary Wi-Fi throughout the visit. Pre-book airport transfer services or use taxi amenities to explore Ambon conveniently. On-site parking is available for guests arriving by car. Reception services include express check-in/check-out, luggage storage, and safety deposit boxes. Assistance with tickets and tours is provided. Laundry, dry cleaning, room service, and daily housekeeping ensure convenience. Select rooms feature air conditioning, television, mini bar, coffee or tea maker, and toiletries. Guests can enjoy a complimentary morning meal, excellent coffee, halal dining options, and a bar for evening relaxation. For more information or to book the hotel at the lowest rates, check the video description for the link, and share your thoughts in the comments section and like this video. Hotel number 6, Pacific Hotel Ambon Ambon offers a comfortable and relaxing stay with guest rooms designed for both style and convenience. Selected rooms come with air conditioning to enhance comfort, and some provide in-room entertainment like cable TV. Guests can also enjoy bottled water, instant coffee, and instant tea within certain rooms. Bathroom amenities such as a hair dryer and toiletries are provided in specific rooms to ensure a pleasant experience. Start the day with breakfast available on the premises, and in the evening, enjoy drinks at the bar or engage in on-site activities. Relax by the pool and savor leisure moments. Today's price is $15, which may vary on other dates. For more information about this hotel or to book at the lowest rates, check the video description for the link. Share thoughts in the comments section and like this video. Hotel number 5, Hotel City Center Ambon offers a comfortable stay with top-notch services and amenities designed for guest satisfaction. Complimentary Wi-Fi keeps guests connected throughout their visit. The hotel provides taxi and car hire services for easy navigation around Ambon. On-site complimentary parking is available for guests arriving by car. Laundry and dry cleaning services ensure garments remain fresh. Room service and daily housekeeping enhance convenience. Smoking is prohibited except in designated zones. Guestrooms feature air conditioning, blackout curtains, and essential amenities. Select rooms include television, cable TV, bottled water, and toiletries. Daily complimentary breakfast is served at Biz at Hotel, along with freshly brewed coffee. On-site salon and diverse meal options complete the experience. Prices start at $22 today but may vary on other dates. For more information or to book at the lowest, Hotel number 4, Golden Palace Hotel Ambon offers a central location in Ambon, just a 10-minute walk from Maranatha Church of Ambon and Maranatha Cathedral. Guests are also close to Francis Xavier Cathedral and World Peace Gong. The hotel features a full-service spa, complimentary wireless internet, concierge services, and a banquet hall. Dining options include an on-site restaurant and a snack bar/deli. Additional amenities include complimentary newspapers in the lobby, dry cleaning/laundry services, and a 24-hour front desk. A round-trip airport shuttle is available for a surcharge, and free self-parking is provided. The 64 individually decorated guestrooms provide shared bathrooms with slippers, cable programming, and wireless internet access. Today's price is $23, which may change based on other dates. For more information or to book at the lowest rates, check the video description. Share your thoughts in the comments section and like this video. Hotel number 3, Hotel Santika Premier Ambon offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience in Ambon. Located just a 5-minute drive from Maranatha Church of Ambon and Maranatha Cathedral, and 3.1 kilometers from Francis Xavier Cathedral, this hotel places guests near top attractions. Guests can enjoy stunning views from the rooftop terrace and stay connected with complimentary wireless internet. Dining options include an on-site restaurant and 24-hour room service, while the bar/lounge is ideal for evening relaxation. Amenities include a 24-hour front desk, concierge services, luggage storage, 6 meeting rooms, and free self-parking. The 143 air-conditioned rooms feature LCD televisions, safes, desks, rainfall showers, and daily housekeeping. Price today is $48 and may vary on other dates. For more information or to book at the lowest rates, check the video description for the link. Share your thoughts in the comments section and like this video. Hotel number 2, Amaris Hotel Ambon offers a central location in Ambon, just a 10-minute walk from Al Fatah Mosque and Masjid Jami. The hotel is 0.5 miles (0.9 kilometers) from Masjid Raya Al Fatah and 0.6 miles (1 kilometer) from Francis Xavier Cathedral. Guests can enjoy complimentary wireless internet access and concierge services. The on-site restaurant serves meals, or room service is available for convenience. Additional amenities include complimentary newspapers in the lobby, dry cleaning/laundry services, a 24-hour front desk, and free self-parking. The 78 air-conditioned rooms feature LCD televisions, cable programming, safes, desks, and daily housekeeping. Bathrooms include complimentary toiletries, toothbrushes, and toothpaste. Today, rooms start at $20, subject to change based on other dates. For more information or to book this hotel at the lowest rates, check the video description for Hotel number 1, Swiss-Belhotel Ambon offers a central stay in Ambon, just a 5-minute walk from Maranatha Cathedral and Maranatha Church of Ambon. This spa hotel is also near Francis Xavier Cathedral and World Peace Gong. Guests can unwind at the full-service spa with massages and body treatments, or enjoy free Wi-Fi, an arcade/game room, and wedding services. Dining options include Swiss cafes serving international cuisine, a 24-hour room service, and a bar/lounge. Amenities feature a business center, dry cleaning, 24-hour front desk, conference space, airport shuttle for a surcharge, and free self-parking. All 111 air-conditioned rooms include minibars, flat-screen TVs, private bathrooms with showers, hair dryers, slippers, phones, safes, and desks. Price today is $43, subject to change. For more information or lowest rate booking, check the video description. Share your thoughts in the comments and like
Looking for the perfect hotel at the lowest price? Stop searching. Yesbook.net finds the best deals for you, anywhere in the world. Powered by artificial intelligence, we match hotels based on your needs. Whether it's luxury, budget-friendly, or family stays, we've got you covered. Need more than just a hotel? Find apartments, homestays, and unique stays, all in one place. Use our detailed filters to find exactly what you're looking for. Pet-friendly, breakfast included, free Wi-Fi, and more. Why pay more? Book smarter. Yesbook.net guarantees the lowest prices on your perfect stay.